everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's doing wonderfully and staying warm and enjoying this holiday season. Well, today I have yet another Dollarama haul. I know that's pretty much what I've been posting recently. Is either Dollarama hauls or I've been posting Bath and Body Works hauls, but those are the stores that I've been going to. Dollarama hauls, I've just been picking things up for Christmas to use around the house. Towards the end, I will show you how I incorporated those decorations in my house. But there's so many good things that I couldn't pass them up. And it's not things that I bought just because, it's things that I will actually incorporate either in my house or my parents' house. So if you want to see what I purchased yet again at Dollarama this time around, please keep on watching. For starters, let me show you the shopping bag I picked up. Oh my goodness, I couldn't pass it up. Look at this. So it's a plastic bag, you know, a shopping bag, or you can use it as a gift bag, and it's all Elf on the Shelf. You can see there. So it's like those waterproof bags, and on the sides it's just a plain red, and here's more Elf on the Shelf. And we do Elf on the Shelf here in my house, so I thought it was so cute, and I couldn't leave this bag behind. It was adorable, and they were going quickly. Look at this one, so cute. Look at the faces. So that's the first thing I picked up, and so I brought all my purchases in this bag. So not a whole lot of stuff, but I know you love me to share them with you, so that's what I'm going to do. So to begin, I just picked up a package of these tea lights. For $1.25 you get two, and they had other ones. They had white. Well, the white is what you're looking at. They had silver, they had red, gold, but I just picked up the simple white. Isabel at the time was with me, and she has been looking for these gloves. We finally found them. So these are the magic gloves, which they have the cutout fingers, and then you can just put that over your fingers, and it has a little kitty cat for $2.50. Super cute. I needed some more of these micro 30 LED dot lights. So I picked up quite a bit of these, and I like to incorporate them in, like for example, this tree, this tinsel tree you're seeing here, this is from Dollarama, and I wrapped these lights around it, and it looks so pretty. I got the warm because the white, the bright white, are almost like have a bluish tint to them, so I prefer the warm lights. So I got two of those. Actually, I think I picked up four. Yeah, four in total. Yeah, they're all warm. I was second guessing there myself for a second. These are opened. I got a package of the Hershey Kisses with the silver, green, and red foil paper, and this goes into my candy jar. So no, we haven't eaten them all. We've just placed them in our little candy jar right at the entrance there, which I hauled in one of my other videos. Isabella was with us, so she picked up two of these Nutella and Go. She really likes these. Needed some more batteries. Like I said in my last haul, Christmas is coming and we need batteries for just about everything, so I picked up the AA batteries. I picked up 3 packages of those, and there's 5 in a package. No, this is not something I would normally pick up, and this is not something Isabella asked me to pick up, but I picked up this Doctor toy set, you can see there, and what we're planning to use this is just a prop for the Elf on the Shelf, and I'm just whispering because she's upstairs, and just in case she's listening to me, because she still believes in Elf on the Shelf. So I picked up this, and I also picked up a toy tea set, which we actually incorporated today with the Elf on the Shelf, so I can't show you that, but we picked that up. Okay, so this was a new item at my store, and I'm just gonna hide this in case she comes in. I'm super excited to try this to see if it even works. I picked up, it's the Darta Universal Wireless Keyboard, works with all devices. It's Bluetooth, rechargeable battery, soft rubber keyboard connected to all devices. So you can see that there. And I'm hoping to use this with my smart TV, and you can see there, it is rubber. So I'm excited to see if this works and try it. If you're interested in a review, please let me know. We picked up a package of these Christmas tree cakes by Little Debbie. And they had the vanilla and the chocolate. Everyone loves chocolate in my house, so we picked those up just for little treats for this time of year. Someone got into the shortbread cookies. We picked up a package of shortbread fingers. These were $1 and it's 170 grams. Yeah, you can see someone's gotten into that already. These, I only have one to show you. We picked up the Hershey's Gold Peanuts and Pretzels. These are so good, and I believe these are on sale, or not on sale, but they're 2 for $1.50, and they have a variety of other different chocolate bars, 2 for $1.50, so they're 75 cents each. So these are delicious. If you haven't tried these, I highly, highly recommend them. We needed some twin sugar, so I picked up a package of those. There's 40 packets. Isabella loves her craft, so she needed some white glue. So we picked up, sorry, not white glue, white paint. So we picked up some of that. She also wanted a plain artist canvas. So we picked her up one, and this is the 9 by 12 inches for $2. Just a plain one. And just some necessities we needed. We picked up some luncheon napkins. There's 100 in here for $1.25. And just those days where we don't feel like doing dishes or some like sandwiches, we picked up these plates. There's 40 for $2. I know foam plates are not the best, but we just picked those up. We don't use them regularly, so we just picked those up. And last, but certainly not least, we picked up, I thought this was a beautiful decorative tree. And again, I can incorporate the mini lights, intertwine them in there, and it'll be so pretty. So the tree looks like this. Let me just see if I can move the camera back. Because right now it's not doing anything justice. Well, maybe we can pull it like this. So it's just a cone-shaped tree, and it's built out of the twig with the evergreens and the red berries. And the base is like so. And I thought it was so pretty. Let me just see if I can display it in a way that you can see it better. So here's the tree like this. It actually looks better in person than on video, but it is really cute. And when it's lit up, I think it'll just make a nice little accent piece to put in a nook or somewhere. Here's that tinsel light I was telling you about. It's all lit up. I mean, I have a lot of light in here, so you really can't see it, but you can see it's all lit up, and you can't even see the string lights. But yeah, so that is it. That was my Dollarama haul this time around. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for spending a little bit of your time with me. And like always, I will talk to you on my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye everyone.